Right now, at this exact second, thousands of invisible signals are passing through your body. Your phone is sending them, your Wi Fi is receiving them, and your entire home is filled with something you can't see, but it's always there. What are these signals? And why are scientists suddenly talking about them now? Hi guys, welcome. Come back to my channel. Come, let's get into the video. You are surrounded by an invisible universe. Every second, radio waves, Bluetooth pulses, Wi Fi packets, GPS signals, and background radiation move through your space like silent messengers. We don't see them, but they shape our modern life. Your phone alone sends out more than 200 invisible pings every minute, even when you're not using it. Smartphones communicate using a technology called RF, radio frequency. When you open an app, a tiny burst of energy travels through the air, hits a cell tower, and returns with the information you asked for. This happens millions of times across the world every second. You are literally walking inside a planet sized network of invisible messages. Wi Fi is even more fascinating. It travels through walls using frequencies between 2.4 and 5 gigahertz, waves short enough to pass through solid objects but long enough to travel across your home. A single Wi Fi router can fill a 2-3 bedroom house with invisible ripples of information. Every video you watch, every message you send, rides on these silent waves. Your smartwatch, earbuds, smartwatch, and even your smart bulbs use short range invisible waves called Bluetooth. A Bluetooth pulse lasts less than a millisecond, yet it carries enough data for music, notifications, and device tracking. You're surrounded by a micro network created entirely by your own gadgets. This is where people start worrying. Are these invisible signals dangerous? Scientists say no, not at the levels we use daily. These waves are non-ionizing, meaning they cannot damage DNA. Your microwave uses 100 times more power than your Wi-Fi, but your Wi-Fi is as weak as the signal from a baby monitor. Now imagine zooming out. From space, Earth looks like a glowing ball wrapped in billions of signals. Cell towers, satellites, Wi-Fi clouds, radios, GPS beams, all forming a shimmering digital web around the planet. This invisible web connects 5 billion people every single day, and this is only the beginning. Scientists are developing Li-Fi, Internet through light, quantum signals, unhackable communication, terahertz waves, 100x faster than 5G, neural signals, tech controlled by your mind. The future won't be visible, it will be invisible. You're living inside an invisible world, and now you finally understand it. If you learned something new today, hit like so more people can see this video. Subscribe for more science and tech explained simply, and comment below which hidden signal surprised you the most.